Tornado warning.
The National Weather Service in Little Rock has issued a tornado warning for central Van Buren County in north central Arkansas, eastern Polk, Puyallup County in central Arkansas, Conway County in central Arkansas until 4:15 p.m. At 3:37 p.m., National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado. This severe storm was located 4 miles southeast of Happy Bend, or 6 miles northwest of Morrilton. Doppler radar showed this severe storm moving north at 55 miles per hour. Locations in the path of this dangerous storm include Morrilton, Clinton, St. Vincent, Oglethorpe, Hetty Mountain, Mount Evans, Middleton, Landy, Jerusalem, Hattieville, Happy Bend, Daphne, Cleveland, Cliff, Rock Creek Lake, Wood, Atkins, Worcester. This includes Interstate 40 between mile markers 94 and 108.
It was when I first met Jimmy Conway.
A tornado warning remains
Awesome.
in effect for